What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I am going to show you how to start earning from YouTube Shorts. So I am not talking about the YouTube Shorts pool of money that you get, meaning if you had 100 mil views and the pool of views had 1 billion views, and then YouTube pays you out of the short funds. No, I'm not talking about that. And then you might even get like $100 or $200. No, we're talking about like actual ads being played on your shorts, or I guess before or after your shorts, and you being paid from those ads. So very similar to how your regular YouTube videos work. So YouTube has now announced that they will start letting you earn money from shorts starting February 1st. So I will be doing test trials on this to show you what the RPM is, what the CPM is, how much you can possibly make from 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 views, all that good stuff. Just got to wait for February 1st to kick in. But you can see starting February 1st, 2023, all your short views will automatically be considered for shorts ad revenue sharing. You will earn revenue when a short YouTube premium subscriber watches your content. So that is interesting. They do say YouTube premium subscriber watches your content. So at the moment, they're just talking about people who are paying the $15, $10, $20, $30, whatever, right? It is that you pay for monthly, but there are going to be ads as well because it says ad revenue sharing. So I guess it's both, right? So you'll be earning for both. Right now, if a premium person watches your short video, you do not get paid, which kind of sucks, even though it's probably going to be like 10th or 100th of a penny, but still, it kind of sucks. So you're going to kind of go down that route. So now, just to give you a perspective on how their policy works, they don't really say anything specific on how much you'll make, which I think is going to fluctuate significantly initially, because I think YouTube themselves are going to be playing around with how this works. I know they are experimenting. I have seen ads in shorts pop up, very similar to TikTok or Instagram, right? When you're scrolling, you're going to see them. But the revenue is going to be the interesting component. So just like before, YouTube is going to be taking, I believe they take 55%, and then you'll be getting the 45% cut, right? Just like regular ads. So and they even tell you like what's content, what's suitable. It's going to be the same thing, family-friendly content, no war, no gore, no stuff that I don't want to state, right? They don't want you to do those certain specific things. And then there's going to be certain items that, like I said, they say are not eligible, like TV content, shows, movies, music, etc. They do say if you do use someone's music, it's going to be shareable revenue, which is very cool. So I would highly advise you guys to kind of check this out, because it says if a monetizing creator uploads a short without any music, you will get all the money. If a monetizing creator uploads a short with music in it, there's going to be a split with the track used and the money and the time and all that other good stuff. So you can see there's a creator pool as well, as it says over here, and then the revenue share. Monetizing creators will keep 45% of the allocated revenue. So you can see that over here. The other thing I want to say is you do have to accept the new terms and conditions that YouTube put out. You will see it across your channel. If you're obviously in the partner program, you will see it there, and you have to accept. I know people don't want to accept, but I don't think you have a choice. If you don't accept, you cannot earn money from shorts. And I think as of July 2023, if you don't accept, your regular channel will be demonetized as well, because you have to accept. So you can see over here, this is how you get the pool, shareable ad revenue, monetizing creator view share. They'll calculate the creator pool, the pool view split, distribute creator allocation, revenue share, and then creator payment. So it even gives you an example. This is what I was kind of saying. There's 100 million short views in country A, and all views are on shorts uploaded by monetizing creator. 100,000 is earned from ads. So that's the pool, right? 20% of these shorts use one music track, so the pool creator is 90,000, and 10,000 is used to cover the cost of music licensing. So this is the first time where music creators, via these methods, I don't know if TikTok does this or not, but YouTube is going to be paying music creators as well, which is very cool. I like it if independent music creators are getting the money. The big ones, I don't really care. I feel like they're already rich, but whatever, it is what it is. Your short is viewed 1 million times, so you are allocated 1%, right? Because 1% of 1 million of 100 million is 1%. So you'll get $900 from the allocation from the creator pool, which is pretty damn cool. Again, this is just an example. If this actually happens, you can make a lot of money, dude. You can make a lot of money. And again, if you do not have any music track, the 45% revenue share is then applied. Oh yeah, I forgot. They take 55%, sorry. So they'll take that. You'll get the $405. Right, so that's basically how this flow is going to be working. So just wanted to kind of give you guys a perspective. Just want to let you know you do have to, like I said, apply for this to be able to be eligible and go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. Helps out. Guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. On that, Mo Tutorials out. Peace.